Hey guys, it's Ella here, and today I wanted to share with you the Orgain Kids protein drinks. The Orgain Kids protein drinks, they're actually organic nutritional shakes with grass-fed protein. They're USDA organic and they do not contain soy ingredients. They're gluten-free and non-GMO. This particular one is chocolate flavored. There is a vanilla and strawberry version you can get. It has 8 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and 22 vitamins and minerals. These actually come in a small milk type container with a straw attached that's telescoping. It extends so you can poke it in the top and sip it. You can chill these. I throw them in a bag to take with us in case we need something to fuel our toddler while we're out. We actually buy the adult version of these for ourselves and wanted to give the kids version a try. It seems like a nice chocolate shake flavor. I actually like that there's a little bit more in it than just picking up a carton of milk. These actually contain organic fruit and veggie powder along with other vitamins and minerals. One thing that I was specifically looking for in these, that it could be more nutritional, so it does have 180 calories in it. It's going to have a composition that has carbs, fats, and proteins to make it more filling. And there's no fruit juice, there's no preservatives, no artificial dyes or flavorings in these. And they do have natural sugar and not artificial sugar. If you're looking for something on the go for your kids to keep them satisfied and filled without just giving them another package, maybe sugary treat, highly recommend grabbing these Orgain Kids protein nutritional shakes. They are one of our favorites to just toss in a bag and go, whether it's to the car, on the side-by-side, around the property, to the park even. Just an all-around great thing to have on you.